Okay, here's my, sorry, I'm eating potato chips. DIY makeshift tub while I'm waiting on another inflatable tub I ordered. I have to replace those about every 6 months, but that's not bad. So this is an anti-gravity chair that my sister gave me a couple years ago. And it's pretty cool. Look, sits up, lays all the way back, and even with my 125-pound son in it, it does not tip. So this is an old inflatable mattress I got from Walmart for like $10, and it developed a leak, but I hardly ever throw anything away. I threw it in the shed, took it back out, not the shed, the storage room on my patio. Okay. Cut it, just cut the top of it out, but you could cut it, like leave some of that's what I would do if I did it again. And it's cheaper than a tarp. So, and more waterproof. And it's got the corners on it. So even once you cut it, you're still left with some corners. If I did it again, I wouldn't cut the entire top out because that would leave enough in there, but it's going to work fine. I've used it a couple times. It's completely waterproof. I have one of those indoor-outdoor rugs right there. I have one that goes right here. So when I'm coming in, if the wheelchair tires are dirty, we're just right here, and I can bring the Hoyer lift, get him out of he uses an adaptive stroller. I can get him out of that, and we haven't gotten anything on the wood floors because I'm renting. I'm trying to take care of my wonderful landlord's property. He really is a dear. So what I did with this, I had some wood I was using for a build out for my van because we tricked out the van as a camper. I have a conversion van, and I removed this awful, terrible seat, and I put bins in there, but that's another video. And upside down organizer cubes and in the back. And then on the very back is a Walmart fold-up table, the 4-foot one, and it just flips up, and you have a couch if you want it, or you can access. I just stick a water bottle in there and the table stays up. So anyway, back to this. I used a pot thing I had in the kitchen, a metal thing to put your spoons on, a spoon rest. I hammered in a nail, small nail, in each one just to hold this on, okay? And like I said, I've already tried it. It works fine. And it is completely waterproof. And these are 2 feet. So the Hoyer lift, once I get him in it, it goes right around the wood and right through, and put him on the chair. You can adjust it according to whatever your own needs are. But for us, it works fine, just like this. And this is about 7 feet long. So once he's done, he's had a shower. You can even put one of those 99-cent, well, $1.25, long floats in there, not even inflated. Just put it in there, and it makes this a lot more comfortable. And I've actually even popped holes in each side of it and used a long sock and tied the sides up to here, so it's almost like a little bath. But I'm not going to do that today because this is not meant to hold water like a bathtub. But it does fine holding a couple gallons that you use for a shower, which you're talking really about a gallon and a half. And so once we're done, take the chair off, which just folds right up. See, just like that, and it'll fold up. Put it out on the back porch, and this just kind of folds into itself, and I can just drag it. Just pull it right out on the porch and drain it out there. So that's my redneck fix. So I can give my son a shower while I'm waiting on the other thing. So I hope that inspired you. I'll be working on, I've got an old hammock from the Hoyer lift. It didn't fit him, it's too small. So where the hole part is, I sewed it closed. I folded it over and sewed it closed. And then I'm going to zip tie it to the bottom of his stroller. And that is what Miss Rosie is going to lay in when we're out. And I'll make another video about that when it's done. Okay, thanks a bunch.